Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the tabletop splash. So first thing you want to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. So first thing we're going to do is identify the top of our display. So the top of the display will have the light clips. Once you have identified the top of your frame, we're ready to fully expand it. So I'm just going to pull up and fully expand my frame. Once I have the frame fully expanded, I'm just going to connect together all the locking clips. So we're just going to push them into each other. And I'm going to repeat for all the locking clips. Once you have all the locking clips together, we're ready to install the graphic. So to install the graphic, we're first going to identify the front of our graphic. Once you have the front of your graphic identified, we're going to start with the top right corner of the graphic, and we're going to attach to the back top hub of the display. So using the loop on the graphic, we're going to attach to the hook on the hub. And then we're just going to wrap the top of the graphic around and attach the loop to the hook on the front hub. Now we're going to continue to attach the graphic to all of the top hubs before we work down the display. So I'm just going to attach the graphic to the next hub. Once we have the graphic attached to the top of our display, we're going to work down and then around our frame. So I'm just going to work down the frame. Once you have your graphic attached, you're ready to place your display onto a table. So I'm just going to lift my display up and onto a table. And it's just that easy to set up your splash tabletop display.